Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you all viewers are fine. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am providing trendy and beautiful backless sari blouse design. In a backless sari blouse is a stunning and bold choice that effortless combine traditional elegance with modern style. This design has the same suggest feature and open back that can vary it is degree if export depending on the mm, Warrior comfort and the overall design of the blouse. The black backless blouse is a popular choice for festive occasion, wedding, and high-profile event where making a statement is key. The most classic version of backless sari blouse feature is a deep U-shaped or V-shaped cut at the back, open held together by delicate ties, strings, or intricate embellishment. These ties might be adorned with tassels, beads, or other decorative elements that add a touch of glamour. The simplicity of the bare back contrasts beautifully with the richness of the sari fabric, drawing attention to the shoulder and back and highlighting the gracefully of the warrior postures. For those who prefer a more secure fit, a backless blouse can also feature a more structured design with a broader band at the lower back or a halter neck style that offers support while maintaining the open back appeal. The fabric used for these blouses are can range for luxurious silk and velvet to more contemporary choices like satin or sequined materials depending on the overall look on wishes to achieve. Embellishment play a crucial role in the design of backless sari blouse. In intricate embroidery, mirror work, or even delicate lace can frame the open back, adding an element of sophistication. Some design incorporate sheer panels or netting with the embroidery that provide coverage while still remaining the allure of backless styles. These details ensure that the blouse look accurate from the angle, making it as much a focal point as the sari itself. Pairing a backless blouse with the sari required a well deep draped sari that complement the blouse design. Typically, the sari pallu is draped in the way that either reveal the back in a gracefully partial manner or entirely pinned to the shoulder, allowing the backless blouse to take center stage. This creates a balance more look that is both traditional and daring, perfect of those who looking to make a memorable fashion statement. A backless sari blouse is design that push the boundaries of traditional Indian wears by adding a contemporary and sensual twist the classic sari assembles. It is choice the blended heritage with modernity, appealing to those who want to honor traditional attire while embrace a more daring fashion sense. The allure of a backless blouse lies in its ability to transfer the sari into a glamorous and attention grabbing outfit, making it an ideal choice for special occasion where standing out is decides. Most of the popular variation of the backless sari blouse is a halter neck design, where the blouse wrap around the neck, leaving the back entirely exposed. The design often feature intricate detailing at the neck such as heavy embroidery and sequins. So guys, I hope you all love this all backless sari blouse. So please share this video with your friends who want these type of dresses. So please then like my video and subscribe my channel for my new and trendy ideas related to these dresses. See you soon guys. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.